Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an account on CoinMarketCap. To begin, open your web browser and go to the CoinMarketCap website. Once the page loads, you should be on the main site where you can view market data, charts, and other cryptocurrency information. Take a moment to make sure the website has fully loaded so all of the navigation options are visible and easy to access. Next, look toward the upper area of the page and click on Login. Even though you're creating a new account, this is the entry point that leads to the account access options. After selecting it, a sign-in window or page should appear with choices for existing users and new users. From there, click on Sign Up. This will take you to the registration form where you can begin setting up your new account. If the sign up screen does not appear immediately, give it a second to load, or check whether a pop-up window is opened in your browser. Now fill out the required information in the registration form. This usually includes details such as your email address and a password along with any other requested account information. Be sure to enter everything carefully and double check for typing errors before moving on. It's also a good idea to create a strong password that is both secure and easy for you to store safely. If there are any terms, privacy notices, or required checkboxes, read them and complete them as needed before continuing. Once all of the required information has been entered, click on Create an Account. This submits your registration details and starts the account creation process. Depending on the platform's security settings, this step may take a few moments, so wait for the page to respond rather than clicking multiple times. After that, follow the on-screen procedure to continue. This may include verifying your email, completing a security check, or confirming additional account details. Since prompts can vary, simply read each message on your screen carefully and complete the requested actions in order. Following the platform's instructions exactly will help make sure your account is created successfully. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of creating an account on CoinMarketCap. If you run into any issues, review the information you entered and follow any prompts shown on the screen. With your account set up, you'll be ready to explore the platform and use its features more easily.